Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron, and today I hope we're going to be learning about farm animals. Alright, let's get started. Cat, cat. Kitten, kitten. Chicken, chicken. Chick, chick. Cock, cock. Cow, cow. Calf, calf. Dog, dog. Puppy, puppy. Donkey, donkey. Donkey foal, donkey foal. Duck, duck. Duckling, duckling. Goat, goat. Kid, kid. Goose, goose. Gosling, gosling. Horse, horse. Foal, foal. Mouse, mouse. Peacock, peacock. Pigeon, pigeon. Pig, pig. Piglet, piglet. Pony, pony. Pony foal, pony foal. Rabbit, rabbit. Bunny, bunny. Rat, rat. Reindeer, reindeer. Sheep, sheep. Lamb, lamb. Turkey, turkey. Water buffalo, water buffalo. Yak, yak. Thank you very much for watching this episode with me. These were the words. Go back and relearn them if necessary. I hope you learned some new words. If you like the episode, as always, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already. And very soon, we are going to be seeing each other with some new content. Bye.